What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's session, we are going to talk about a common challenge that many day traders face, and that is greed. Now, while the desire is to maximize profits, allowing greed to dictate your trading decision can lead to significant losses. So let's explore how to manage greed and just be a more disciplined trading approach as a trader day in and day out. Now, obviously, as we talk about this video, right, we're going to look at charts, we're going to look at examples, you're going to learn a lot from this. So first, let's understand what greed looks like in day trading, right? It often manifests as an urge to chase after quick profits, leading traders to make impulsive decisions without proper analysis. Now, greed, guys, can push you to hold on to winning trades for too long, right? So if you're in a winning trade, greed can obviously, cause you to hold on to these trades way too long, basically hoping for even greater returns, right? So let's pretend you're in this trade for US 30. Let's say you got it here at the very bottom. If you're still holding it here at the very top, kind of greed's playing a big part. At some point, you should have exited this trade. I mean, that's a monster move. Even if you took 0.10 lots, even if you took 0.10 lots, I mean, you'll see 0.10 lots. You say you bought it, and let's say you're still riding this thing all up here to the very top. Actually, if you bought it, you basically be up $10,000 with basically 0.10 lots. So, with greed, it can basically, also cause you to over leverage your position, taking on more risk that you basically can or can't handle. So, recognizing these behaviors is the first step to basically combating greed and maintaining a balanced mindset. So, I want to talk about a little bit more about, reframing your mindset, right? What is that all about? So, you have to ask yourself, right? Am I following my strategy, right? What is my risk tolerance? Can I accept that not every trade will be profitable? That's the biggest thing. Can I accept the fact that not every trade will be a profitable trade? Now, embrace the reality that losses are part of the game. I'm going to repeat that again. Embrace the reality that losses are part of the game. You will have losses, right? If you join a signal service, there will be losses. If you buy somebody's course, there will be losses. There is no guaranteed 100% win rate day in and day out. So you need to establish clear guidelines of how much you're willing to risk on each trade you take. This can help you resist the temptation to overtrade. Overtrading is the biggest killer in this game. Do not overtrade, right? Stick to your plan and avoid from the pursuit of higher gains, right? Obviously, we want to come every day and make profit, right? That's the end game goal and strategy. But do not get greedy, right? Too many people get way too greedy. So I want to talk about strategies to basically combat greed, right? How to basically handle it, right? And that is basically set realistic goals, implement stop loss orders, and practice mindfulness, right? Take a moment to breathe, reflect before making a trading decision. If you get into a trade and you start feeling like nervous, shaky, you basically don't feel comfortable. That means you're taking too big of size, right? You basically need to practice taking smaller size that will basically help you gain clarity and distance yourself from impulsive actions driven by greed, right? Because obviously it's simple. You look at the chart, you're like, well, if I took 0.10 lots, right? I took 0.10 lots. If I was riding from here, from the bottom all the way to the very top, I could have made $9,000. And then you start playing with some numbers. You're like, well, what if I took one lot? What if I took one lot? I would have made $91,000. You see what I'm saying? So eventually you'll get there, right? But you need to make sure you follow your rules and stick to the strategy while you're on your trading journey, your path there. And that is basically, always use a stop loss order to protect your capital, whether it's a mental stop or hard stop. You've got to know exactly where to get out of a trade if it goes against you, right? This not only minimizes potential losses, but also helps you stick to your plan and avoid emotional decisions, right? Biggest thing right there. So obviously establish achievable profit targets for each trading session, right? Knowing your limits helps to keep greed in check and prevents you from overextending yourself, right? Now, I tell people this over and over again. The market's not going anywhere. The market is here every single day, all day. You want to be able to be here every single day, all day. So if the market shows up every day, it's ready to move, ready to print, you need to basically attend as well. That's what it's like, right? It's just like being in middle school, high school, kindergarten. You need to make sure you're able to attend class every single day. So in order for you to attend class every single day, you still need to have your wallet. Your wallet is your money, profit, balance account. You need to be able to keep money in your account. Slow and steady wins the race. So now, in conclusion, while it's natural to want to maximize profits in day trading, right, allowing greed to take control can lead to, again, significant pitfalls. So by understanding the role of greed, right, reframing your mindset is everything with trading, and implementing effective strategies, you can create a more disciplined and successful trading approach. Again, coming to the market, remembering the key to long-term success in day trading is not just about how much you can make, but also about how well you can manage your emotions and stick to your plan. Again, the market is here every single day. I tell people this over and over and over again. Slow and steady wins the race. If you come every single day, guys, and let's just say you take small size. We'll take 0.05 lots. So take 0.05 lots on maybe US 30. You need to have about $1,000 account. Let's say you buy for a breakout, right? A break. You're looking to buy and sell it for the pop, right? And you put a pending order out there. Again, you're looking to buy it, and you're looking just to make profit. What was my take profit? Take profits all the way up. Let's say you're just looking to, buy, get a quick little push, little break. You can come every single day, guys, and easily make a quick $500 day in and day out, as long as you stick to your trading plan. And sure, you might be able to look at the chart. You might later on at night look at the chart and be like, oh my God, I would have made a lot more money, right? Shoulda, coulda, woulda. You can't look at it like that. So, anyways, again, guys, stick to the plan, trade well, profits will follow. That's it for this quick little video talking about greed with day trading. Hopefully you like it. Hopefully it helps you. Hopefully it motivates you. As always, if you guys are interested in joining our 100% free Discord community, the link is going to be below this YouTube video. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. And remember, nobody goes broke taking profit.